So I have been doing Zentangle style flower designs on rocks for a while, and they're so simple to do in any shape. And I just wanted to make this fun 3-minute tutorial for you here. So as you can see, I'm putting down my base coat because I wanted to share how I got the pretty blend on this rock to start out. I am using a makeup brush, or a makeup sponge, I should say, to blend my colors out. And I just have my stone taped to the top of a paint bottle to hold it still so that I can spin it around. I did come back and add in a little bit more pink in the center because I wanted it a little brighter in the center. Now make sure to set this aside to dry completely, and now we're going to start our lining. We're going to put wavy lines on our stone to create a grid. So you can make these as big of squares as you want or as small of squares as you want. Next, we're going to come in and add in our flower petals. When you want to fill the square spaces as much as possible, it will just make the image or the design tighter when it's all finished, but they don't have to be perfect shaped flowers. As you can see here, I've got one big petal, a few smaller petals. Just do it so that it fits in the square. I usually do anywhere between 4 to 6 petals. I do whatever feels right. So go around your design and add a flower shape inside each one of the squares. Once you have all your flowers on your rock, you're going to go in and fill anywhere that's not a flower petal black. So you're going to get in all these little nooks and crannies. There's lots of little itty bitty spaces, so take your time with this. Make sure you get it in all these different places. I'm using an extra fine tip paint pen here so I can get all the way down into all of the little spaces. And this really, by the time you have all this black lining in, you're pretty close to being done, and you could be done if you wanted to, but I've got a last step that I like to do with my stones. But just take your time with this. You don't want to blow out into your petal. If you do get your lining into your petal, you can always make your petal just a little bit smaller. That's a way that you can kind of fix that. So once all your black is filled in, we are going to come back with an extra fine tip white paint pen, and we are going to add dots in the centers of our flowers. Now you can do 1 dot, you can do 2 dots, you can do 3 dots, whatever you need to kind of fill that center space. And your design is basically finished. And these are so cute. You can use this design to fill in any shape. You could actually use this for other things besides stone painting as well if you want to. I did go down and add black down the sides of the rock, but I didn't show that in the video. I hope you give this one a try. Bye-bye.